Welcome to Math Plus, where math makes sense. This video is in a series of how to tell time and start when a child is as young as 2 or 3. You can help a child tell time at any age, but it can start very early. So in the series, you're going to see that we start out with number recognition, then just the hour hand, then the minute hand. So go back to the beginning of the playlist if you find that this video is not where your child's at. Click the playlist at the end of the video and start from the beginning. And just so you know, it is very, very important that you, as the teacher or as the parent, as the helper in teaching this child, it's a thing that you do every day, all day long, and you can do it on the go. That's what's wonderful about homeschooling. You can just teach as you're on the go and when you find those moments. One thing I really want to emphasize too is that when you're learning how to tell time, it's not going to be taught in one lesson or one unit if you're using a math book and then expect your child to understand that. Give them the grace to get it at their own pace. And think of yourself when you learned how to drive a car. Some people can jump right in. They've watched their parents drive and they can drive. And others, I've seen people get into their late 20s before they're comfortable driving a car. Everybody has a different processing ability and a different time frame in learning things. So these are all ideas that you're going to do on the go, just in real life. So I've already given you some ideas of how you can teach time with interactively. And one of the things we talked about was making that clock, moving those hands, telling the time, counting by fives, bringing it all together. You can use your clock. You could also purchase something like this off of Amazon where you can play together and move those hands on this clock interactively and then tell the time. Now, one thing that's fun when you're doing things like this is have your child be the teacher and have you tell the time. And of course, you want to be right the first couple of times, but be wrong. See if they can catch you being wrong. So let them have the opportunity to be the teacher and test you. That's always fun. And of course, I gave you this website where you can go in there interactively and practice telling time. There's also lots of different games. I'm going to give you some links. They're from Amazon. And if you like to play games together, telling time, then by all means, there's some ideas there as well. If you're still frustrated and you've tried all these things, always you can tell people in the membership Facebook group and say, hey, I'm getting stuck here. Does anybody else have some ideas? That's the beauty of having this group. You've got all kinds of people in there where we can help each other when we get stuck in teaching something. Remember, have fun, take time, don't expect it to happen really fast.